Hello guys, study with Flow back again with the another video, and in this video we will see what are if statements. Basically, if statements are used to check some conditions. If that condition is true, then statement 1 is our output, and if it is not true, it is false, then statement 2 is our output. As now you can see, we have taken a variable I which we have assigned a value 10. Now we are checking. Now we are writing if statement. If, and after if we are writing the condition I greater than 15, then colon, and as in the next statement 1 we are writing print 10 is less than 15. As according to our syntax, statement 2 is print I am not in F. If condition is true, I greater than 15 is true, then we will see 10 is less than 15 as on our output screen. If this condition is false, then we will see I am not in if. Now we will run our program and you can see our output. As you can see on our output screen, I am not in if is printed, which is correct.